Hey everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. I am smashing my stash, and this time I worked on a kit I have had. This is Dino Friends, not Dino and Friends, Dino Friends, and there wasn't a cover plate, and this is what I have left of the collection as far as big sheets of paper. Obviously, it's a dinosaur themed collection. It wasn't one of my favorite paper pads. I don't know why I got it. I guess I got it in a mystery box or something like that. I have no idea. I've had it for a while. Um, Anyhow, let me show you what I made with it in some sort of related projects. So I decided to make some cards. I need some kids' cards in my stash. I made some 4¼ by 5½ and some 5x7s as well. I used for a lot of the cards elements from the collection. So here that's a sticker and that was a sticker. I popped up the scallop um, shape that was part of the collection and put that on some darker blue and on a craft colored card. So let the world hear you roar. And then this is keep calm and roar on. The dinosaur's tail was cut off already, so I just cut it and put it on there. In retrospect, I don't think I like the tail cut off. But anyhow, that is that. That was that a sticker? No, it's not a sticker. It was cut from one of the pages. So keep calm and roar on is popped up, and then I've got a smaller square and a little larger square again on craft cardstock. You are so totally roarsome. It's pretty cute. Um, this is a stitched rectangle. So that is on one side. I love the palm trees, and it sort of coordinates with the green of the dinosaur and the blue one. So this was fussy cut from part of the collection. You are so roarsome. I mean, I'm just doing some layers. I had this happy birthday in my stash. Sort of thought it was a good color. It matched. In retrospect, I don't know that I like script happy birthday. It's not easy to read, especially for a kid. So, not my favorite card, but I mean, it'll work, and I love the background. This one has several different layers. This scalloped rectangle is popped up, and then this other stitch rectangle is popped up, and that was from the sticker sheet as well as that. So those are some of the cards. Now we're switching off a little bit. I had a dinosaur stamp, and I used this sentiment on these cards. That was a card sketch that I have in my Pinterest. If you want to look up who it is by, of course, there's the stitched rectangle behind it, a scalloped circle. It actually was from one of the sentiments on the sticker sheet. I just covered it with another stitched circle. And I like this sentiment. I like the happy birthday. It shows up a little better. I just cut a couple of circles, popped that up. There's some orange below, which coordinates with this orange, which is popped up in that circle. So I think that one came out pretty cute. And again, using the same sentiment, just sort of offset it on one side to have the dinosaur on the other side. And again, using that same sentiment. So I got the sentiment, and there's a dinosaur, and I'll show you that next. So I could use this paper, but then the dinosaur that came with the sentiment was just a different style, and I did not use it to coordinate with the cards. But I used what was left of my stash of this dinosaur collection. So that was the idea, and I'm happy that I finished a paper pad that I've had for a long time, and it wasn't my favorite, and I'm done with it. But let me show you a couple of other cards. So this is using that dinosaur stamp. I'll list it in the description box. I did a reverse on that and just use some bright colors, color that in with alcohol markers. This one is holding a little heart. Part of the sentiment was Rawr means I love you in dinosaur. So I used that. I changed it out to say happy birthday for those. But real bright colors, sort of like that. I used an oval die to cut that out and just did a little bit of inking in the background. Nothing fancy, just something cute to go with the dinosaur. And this guy is pretty cute. Oops. The stitched rectangle in the back and a couple of layers in the back, and Rawr means I love you. And I did put a couple of pink gems in there just to complete the look. So a couple of different styles of the dinosaur cards. Now I made these because I am in an Instagram hop group called Stash Busters 2024. So if you're interested in that, go check that out in Instagram. I will put the hashtag so you can go find it easily. And if you're interested in seeing what other people used out of their stash, I would advise you to go check it out. 2024 is the year of using things in your stash, so why don't you join along? So check out the Instagram hop and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.